welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my leverage trading crypto diary, and we're in for a big one today because we have a massive weekend ahead. This quite literally is the highest of stakes. So if you want to make some nice profits this weekend, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Now, before I get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date with all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own independent research. And with that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description, and join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date with all my recent updates, news updates, technical updates, and much more. Now let's get straight into it. Now, so far for the week, it's been a ranging one, right? So we haven't seen the market necessarily go parabolic, but we haven't seen the market go down either, right? So what we're looking for now is a breakout. Now, we're going to point out the obvious. Now, in part 1 of my video, I said the trend is your friend. That's the most important thing. Trade the trend, especially if you're new, especially if you're getting into this game for the first time. You don't have a lot of, skill. You don't have an edge in the market. The biggest thing that is going to increase your success rate is by just trading the trend. But there's something interesting that could occur this weekend that I want to prepare you all for. Now, as you can see, we did have a range drawn out, right? So our range is basically where price goes, hits our, this is called a support, right? So whenever price moves into this area, it's heading into our support area, right? So that's what's happening. So it's going into our support. And then from our support, we should see a rejection, and then it should go up to a resistance. Where's our resistance? This is our resistance area, right? So this is the top of the range, the resistance, and this is the bottom of the range, the support. Now, something interesting has actually happened this week, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we've actually broken the resistance of this range, right? We've broken the resistance of this range, and we have several rejections to the upside, indicating that we could see some potential downside momentum. Now, those targets that I've mapped out, those are available in Crypto Crew Premium. If you want those exclusives, click the link in my description, sign up now and join that group, because that's where you're going to get our exclusive, where we think price could go if, of course, we do see downside momentum. However, and we're about to test the theory live in front of you all, and I'm going to show you the power of simply following the trend. So if you're following the trend, although I guess a more seasoned trader may try and sell this, for a decent risk to reward or whatever, right? But as a beginner, we're just going to sit this out, right? We're not going to sell it. We're going to hold on, right? And we're going to wait for price. And this is what should happen, right? So at this area, we should see price go back above $30,000 this weekend, right? That's what should happen in order for us to see further bullish momentum to the upside. Because if we stay below this area, past this weekend, there's a good opportunity there's a good chance, that we will see downside momentum. So as a buyer, what you want to see is price go back inside this range. Now, we have our positions on a few trades, etc., live that are already in profit. So you can actually join us again, sign up to the link in my description, click on Crypto Crew Premium and join the Crypto Crew Leverage Trading Group. We launched that just yesterday. You can catch those 2 trades right this second, right? So we should see price stabilize and then move to the upside. So for example, if we stay above, if we go back inside this range, so we go back inside this range here, right? Let's say over the next few hours, then we should then see a sharp move at least up to 360, right? So this is what we should see, right? So we're about to test this theory in real time. Now, here's the good news with this strategy. The good news with this strategy in terms of following the trend is because even if price doesn't do that and price does sell off, right, you wouldn't make a loss because you're not going to be in this trade. And on top of that, if you were to, I don't know, you're online and you're seeing that people are selling and you want to follow these people, right? They may be more experienced than you. Well, guess what may happen? Technically, we haven't even really broken the range. We've broken this range, but we haven't really broken support yet. So although it does look bearish, technically, until I would say, break below, 29,668 or even lower, technically, it's not time to sell yet anyway, just from a technical point of view. So this strategy safeguards you from making those minor mistakes, right? So not selling is going to safeguard you. And obviously waiting for the confirmation for the buys will also safeguard you as well, right? But let's get deeper into this now, because now we're going to talk about, how do you actually implement this strategy in your day-to-day trading, that you can basically replicate every single day and potentially capture, gains for yourself. Now, how you do that is you wait for part 3, because that's going to be revealed in part 3 of my diary. Of course, if you want the exclusive, want to earn whilst you learn, join my Crypto Crew Premium channel, or click the link on Crypto Crew Premium and join the Crypto Crew Leverage Trading Group right now. We've got trades that you can enter now, and more. So we have an epic weekend ahead. I'll see you all in that group. We'll discuss further there. And until next update, seize the day.